Loving greetings from St. Mary's Senior High Secondary School to the past peoples who have passed through this holy portal. It makes me happy to greet you all on this occasion of the preparation for the centenary celebrations. Our first pioneers to South, they came in 1922. Our first pioneers to Northeast arrived on 8th December 1923, Pandu Port, Maligaon. It is a joyful occasion for all of us. They left us a legacy to be lived on, caring for the poor and the needy. I am happy to know that you are fulfilling their desires. You are educating your own children to be good human beings, to be good citizens of India. Northeast has developed fast in the past 100 years. Because of the hard and sacrificing work of our 6 pioneers, the past and present sisters who introduced genuine education to Northeast India. They worked hard for the poor, the needy, the young, the orphans, and the empowering of women. My dear past peoples, you are the cream of the society. We are proud of you. You are carrying out the services in different ways, according to your own God-given capabilities, such as doctors, professors, civil services, engineers, business people, many other occupations. Don Bosco told the past peoples, whatever you do with only one aim, that of the glory of God. Do not put off till tomorrow the good you can do today. You may have not a tomorrow. Today we can say with pride, the Almighty has done wonderful things in our life through intervention of our Blessed Mother. She continues to journey with us. She is beside us. Let us invoke her with great faith. So, God bless you all.
St. Mary's Senior Secondary School, Maligaon, with its motto, virtue and knowledge, is like a beautiful, magnificent garden where varieties of plants are nurtured carefully by the dedicated gardeners. And today, we feel proud and happy that all those who have passed through the portals of this garden are bearing abundant fruit. We all know that one gives what one has, and the past peoples are giving out generously what they have received from the alma mater, especially those values and ethics they have inculcated in their younger days. We thank and salute all the past educators who formed and shaped their lives. And today, we resolve to continue the noble mission of forming good human beings and honest citizens. As I congratulate and wish all the past peoples, I would like to remind once again that one can be good, do good at any time, any place, to anybody. Let us not stop doing good as long as we live. We shall now listen to the wonderful testimonies of our alumni.
Hello everyone, wish you all a very good day and a fantastic new year 2021. As a toddler, I joined St. Mary's Maligaon in 1970. I studied up to class 6 in 1979. St. Mary's Maligaon has been a second home for me in my formative years. I have sweet memories of sisters and teachers who instilled in us cleanliness, discipline, punctuality, along with quality education. I have fond memories of Sister Alice for her love and care. Because of those crucial years, I have been able to pursue higher education. Presently, I am working as a faculty in Chemical Engineering, Assam Engineering College. St. Mary's has given me some wonderful lifelong friends. I am ever grateful to St. Mary's. Thank you very much.
Greetings to all. I am Dr. Manisha Khetrapal, class of 1994, St. Mary's School, Maligaon. Some decisions are life-changing, and one such decision was my mother's decision to get me admitted to St. Mary's School, Maligaon. I feel fortunate to have studied in one of the best educational institutions. My experiences in school shaped my personality in a positive manner and made me a more responsible and confident person as I grew up. The stress on academics, co-curricular activities, while inculcating the values of self-discipline and a sense of service to society, has left an indelible mark on my consciousness. And this inspires to do my best as the headmistress of Kendriya Vidyalaya IIT Guwahati now. I am deeply indebted to the selfless and dedicated Salesian sisters and their team of committed teachers. On this historic occasion, I feel privileged and proud to be part of this Institute of Excellence, and I extend my best wishes to all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Olivia Rajkumari, past student of St. Mary's Maligaon, batch 2001. I'm a civil engineer and senior manager in Brahmaputra Cracker and Polymer Limited. On the occasion of FMA Centenary celebrations, I take this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude to all sisters, teachers and staff of SMM for their selfless service to the society. I feel the strong value system of SMM has always influenced me to stand for truth and righteousness both in personal and professional life. I will forever remain indebted to all the sisters of my school days who have always encouraged me and instilled in me the confidence to be an independent woman and have taught me a significant lesson that it is good to be important, but it is always more important to be good. Thank you.
I'll always be grateful to the sisters and teachers of St. Mary's Maligaon for shaping me the way I am. The life values, discipline and morality that my beloved school had imbibed in me is indeed a great blessing which helps me cope gracefully with my day-to-day life, both in my personal life as well as in my workplace. St. Mary's Maligaon is not only about studies or the curriculum, but it left no stone unturned in shaping each and every student into an elegant, confident and an able human being. The moral science classes, the morning assembly, and the personal attention that was provided by our sisters and teachers are some of the things which I have always missed after passing out from my dear school. Those were indeed the best days. Thank you, St. Mary's.
Hello everyone, I am Bhaswati Guhai Barwa, a St. Mary's Maligaon passout from the batch of 2013. I did my bachelor's in mechanical engineering from IIT Guwahati, and currently I am a field engineer in Schlumberger, which is an oilfield services company. I have spent the greater part of my school life in St. Mary's, and that has a huge impact on my social and professional life today. The moral values that I have learned, the friendships I've made, and the leadership qualities that I have inculcated by taking part in various activities are some of the things that I'm very grateful to St. Mary's for. I believe that St. Mary's focuses a lot on these things, and it's not just the studies, but these qualities are equally important in today's world. So thank you, St. Mary's, for making me who I am today.
Greetings to everyone. I'm Deva Priti Sharma and I'm a lawyer. I studied in St. Mary's Maligaon from 2003 to 2015, which shaped my career and social life by making me an unapologetic feminist. SMM is an all-girls school, which meant that we girls would need to perform stereotypical male tasks like lifting heavy tables, just as well as stereotypical female tasks like arranging flower decorations. This taught me that gender division of labor is artificial and that all genders are absolutely equal, although the patriarchal society would have us believe otherwise. Today, I work to bring justice to women, and more than pride, I derive satisfaction from what I do, thanks to the education and experience I gathered at school. Thank you.